There are various ways to solve this problem. We shall discuss a couple of methods here today. Let's begin. First method. The expression is factor out 9. This is a geometric series with first term a equals 1, common ratio r equals 9, number of terms n equals 5. Apply it on equation. So final answer is... Now we try the second method, which is a little lengthy. So expression can be written as... We know the exponent rule, which is if a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power of m plus n. We see here 9 to the power 4 and 9 to the power 2 are common here. So now 9 to the power 1 plus 1 is common here. Therefore, expression would be here we see expression is written in the same manner as above. Now we apply the exponent rule here also. Now, take 9 squared common out. Now, simplify the expression onwards. The final answer is 66,429. Third method. Let's compute it step by step. Now add them all. So final answer is... Thanks for watching. If you like and learn it, please like, share, and subscribe. I will be back with another interesting question soon.